Babies, 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 babies. And then we have Stripe, the evil menacing bunny, who stomped at us earlier. Y'all have seen her before, but still, she is not in a very good mood right now for some reason. Hey everyone, so I have with me some animals. Today we're going to be showing you almost all of our animals. So with me today right now is Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a guinea pig, as you might have guessed, and Cinnamon is not my guinea pig, it's my sister's, but this is Cinnamon, one of, what, 6 guinea pigs?
6, yeah.
Yeah, 6 guinea pigs. And Luna here is probably, and Cinnamon here is probably not terribly thrilled about the fact that there's a ferret underneath me. So I'm not going to keep her in here too long, but say hi, Cinnamon. No, that's good enough. Thank you. Obviously, y'all know about him. Y'all have seen him before. He's kind of the star of the show. This is Jack, and he is Captain Jack. He's my adorable little cuddly baby. He likes to cuddle with me. He's a snuggle bug, and Rosie likes to destroy my things. I don't know if Rosie will make an appearance in this video. She probably will, but she's not awake at the moment, and I don't plan on waking up animals just to show them off for a few seconds. So, you know. What, baby? What? What? What?
She's so cute.
What, Bunny? Hello everyone, so sorry for the abysmal video quality. I'm using my very old webcam. So if you've ever wanted me to record some audio for you, such as an intro for a project at school or college that requires some narration, then you now have the option available to you. It starts at $5 plus $5 stupid fee, you know, they have to make a living somehow too, you know. So that's available. So if you want to support the channel, support what I do, support me in college, etc., etc., there's a link there so that you can buy my services. If you don't want to buy a service and just want to support me, there's also a link down on Patreon where you get access to basically behind the scenes kind of stuff. They're like, oh no, there's a ferret. Oh, there's Rosie. The babies are like, we can smell ferrets. They're like, there's ferrets. Here, babies.
Oh dear.
Babies, you're fine. These are the baby guinea pigs. One of my sister's guinea pigs had babies, thanks to Petco's not checking of things. And, oh, babies, 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 babies. Okay, I've got one on my shoulder and one still in my hand. Say hi. Which one's this? Rocco?
Bear.
Bear. Okay, so this one's Rocco, and this one's Bear, and this one's Rocco.
Rocco, right here.
That's Rocco?
If you look closely, you can see that he has red eyes.
He's an albino guinea pig.
Pattern.
And this one is Bear. Want to show him?
He does not like that.
Like, we do not like being showed off, especially while there are ferrets in the room. Guinea pig's like, what's that? What is that? What was that? Jack was trying to make a run for it. So these are my 2 babies. I don't have any more animals myself personally. But my family, they have quite a few, well, altogether, I should say. So these are my two, Jack and Rosie. They're the most adorable little things to have ever graced this planet. And we have a couple of others that we'll show you, so we'll go on to that. You can tell the size difference between these two pretty easily. Jack is a bit of a big boy, Rosie is kind of a small girl. But you know, they're still both equally adorable. Rosie does not like being held, she's like, I have better things to do. Also invade Jack's space. So we've showed about 4 of 6 guinea pigs. This is Cho, the mother of those 2 guinea pigs you just saw. Cho is a very proud mother. She was a very good mother. I can't tell if the ferrets are excited because there's something new or if they think there's some interesting food. I can't tell. So we also have a, what is this, a Syrian hamster?
Mm-hmm. Syrian.
And she has her own little enclosure by herself.
Yeah, you're not supposed to keep Syrian hamsters with other Syrian hamsters. They can fight and potentially kill each other, so that's not a good idea.
She's a little sweetheart. Yeah, this is Stripe. She's an adorable little baby.
She's not a baby. She's how old?
5 years now.
Well, we got her 2012. Almost 6.
So yeah, that's all of our pets. I, of course, only have the 2, but our family in total has what? 8?
Yeah.
About 8. Wait, we forgot one. Coco.
Oh, yeah.
We forgot one. Come here.
We forgot about you.
Here. Hold this, Annie.
This is our technically family dog. She's my dog, but she's mostly a family dog, kind of.
It's like we don't even consider her a pet now. She's just part of the family.
Yeah. She is a Yorkie Pu. She is definitely this. She's not supposed to be regular this size. She's probably the runt of the litter, so that's why she's so small. But she's actually 7 years old.
7 years old and still just a small itty bitty thing.
Yes.
Look at that, she enjoys attention. She's like, yes, I like that attention. Alright, so that's all our animals. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, so we're sort of exploring a park. It's getting dark. And yeah.
Yeah.
If we can see anything, that's, you know.
Get my phone out.
Get your phone out.
Kind of see, I guess.
Kind of sort of see it. And there's a big,
there's a big puddle. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's,
the park is this way. Let's go this way. There we go.
No parking on grass. Well, shoot.
Oh my god! No!
We have light.
Light.
Hey. It's kind of dark.
Yeah.
Just a touch.
Just a little bit.
Use the playground at your own risk. Adult supervision required. Well, shoot. Are we gonna find any adults anywhere?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Let's see. No dogs, cleats of any kind, smoking, bicycles, ball playing of any kind. Anyone over the age of 5 on the spring animals, standing in swings, cursing, or fighting. Well, shoot. 2007.
These are all made a long time ago. I don't know what happened to this guy.
Yeah, he said, well, I can Van Gogh it.
I think it's a ring. I can't tell.
It kind of looks like one. Maybe a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, can you see me?
No.
No?
No. Now I can see you.
Okay.
I have to get closer. Go. I got it.
Alright. Let's do this. Hashtag Olympics.
Woo! Woo!
Dramatic angles and all. We found out that light does not work in the darkness. So recording while it's pitch black, not fun.
No.